Thank you for visiting our new and improved website. We've worked hard to make navigating the site as easy and user-friendly as possible, whilst ensuring that our expert level of advice and product information is clear and easy to interpret. We hope that you enjoy browsing the site, but here are a few tips to help you find what you need quickly and easily. But don't forget, we're only a phone call away for specific answers and advice. For those of us not familiar with hedging, or perhaps considering a hedge for the first time, the choice and use of hedges can be a little overwhelming. Our hedging advice section, which is on the right-hand side of the main menu, will not only guide you through all the different options available, but gives excellent advice and information on exactly how to plant your hedging. If you watch our handy video tutorials, you'll be an expert in no time. In Hedging Advice, the one page we would highly recommend anybody to look at who perhaps doesn't know what they want or is a first-time buyer of hedging is the Choosing the Right Species page. Within this page is information on hedging for all types of different scenarios and locations. It's proven invaluable to people in the past, and we feel it's well worth browsing. If you have an idea of either the type of hedge that you want or the way that you want it to look, to save time, browse our Features and Styles section accessed from the main menu. This is split into popular features, planting requirements, favourite styles. Here you will find products listed by their properties such as low growing hedging or hedges with berries. It's definitely worth a browse if you want ideas or inspiration, as is our Garden Solutions section, which has many more products and information, ranging from National Trust hedging packs and mixed native hedging packs, to discounted packs and pallet deals, and even hedging by root type. The quickest route to hedge information and pricing is via the Hedging by Species section on the main menu. For ease, we have listed the top 10 species, which are the most popular requested species, followed by A to Z options for finding a species by either the Latin or the common name. All the hedges that we supply are listed here, and if you just want a simple but complete list to browse through, click the View All Species button. On the Species page, you will find detailed information including handy icons that quickly show the main attributes of each individual species and images that show the hedge close up and in full form. There's also a root type summary to help guide you through which root type is best for you. To choose a product, first select the root type, then browse the table of products shown below. When you've made your decision on the individual product that you would like to purchase, type in the quantity, then add to cart. You'll automatically be taken to the checkout, and underneath your cart summary you will see a range of our recommended products that will help your plants to establish. The amount that you need is auto-calculated dependent on the number of plants in your basket, and if you adjust the number of plants in the basket at a later date, the system will prompt you to add further products to match the new quantity. Click on the relevant Add button and a pop-up window will appear. This will show you more information about the product and also allow you to add this to your cart. You can now proceed to checkout or continue shopping on the site. We have many other fabulous features on our new site that will help you in your journey to choosing the right hedge for you. We also have a selection of non-hedging products too, ranging from trees and topiary to our planting essentials range, where you'll find feeds and fertiliser and even garden tools to plant that perfect hedge. With so many products to choose from, if you would like to speak to one of our professional and knowledgeable team members, please do call us. Our telephone number is listed at the top of every page. Alternatively, you can click on the Contact Us link. This is found in two places, at the very top of the page in the grey bar or at the very bottom of the page in the footer section. Here you'll be able to fill a form in with your query, or if you want to email us directly, the help desk email address is also listed on this page, along with our general numbers for sales and service. Hedges Direct are proud to be gold trusted FIFO merchants, and we have all our reviews listed publicly in a handy tab to the left hand side of the site. Alternatively, you can see them listed on their own page, the link to which can be found in the footer menu under Advice at the bottom of each page. If you currently work within the garden trade sector and would like more information or to join our hedging network, please see the Join the Hedging Network link listed in the footer. Alternatively, you can give us a call and we'll talk you through the benefits of joining. This includes having a dedicated account manager, bespoke pricing, and a company listing on our hedging network page. We hope that you find this video informative and useful. Please do browse through the site, and if you've got any questions at all, please do call us for advice. Remember, our phone number is listed at the top of every page, and our opening hours are also listed there too.